Alright, time for review. Cold steel shovel called Spetsnaz, also called Special Forces shovel, just named that. This thing is a beast. I highly recommend this for anything from car camping. If you got a four-wheeler UTV, this will get you out of a tight spot. I use it for my outdoor adventures and bushcrafting. Keep it in my car. Just this winter, I used it to dig my excursion out. Got in a little over my head in some snow. There was some only sagebrush around, so I cut the sagebrush, packed that in the tires, and dug out the snow. This thing has seen a lot of abuse. Let's see if we can pick it up on the camera. It's just incredibly sharp edge. I'll put the stats somewhere here on the screen rather than talking about it, but this edge is wicked sharp. I haven't touched it up at all yet. It's still holding up fine. I dig through sand and dirt and use it as a shovel, go figure. But this thing is a beast. It's compact, just easy to carry around. It's really not that heavy to keep in a bag. But man, shovel just comes in handy for everything when you're out, especially fire control, putting out a fire, digging and clearing the area of your campsite. Like I said, digging out a vehicle, or just clearing a path, whatever you need to do. And in this case, we're gonna use it to process some wood, dig a Dakota Fire Pit. So we'll use it in all its forms as a shovel, as it's supposed to be used, and then show what it can do to some wood. So right now we'll get to cutting some of this old burn area. So there's a lot of downfall, so we're just gonna attack that. So this is a pretty big piece. Here's the gauge. We'll just start hacking on this. I'll try to show some close-up shots too as we get to it. Well, there you go. That didn't take much. Just because it's fun. Yes, the tree is dead. Already dead, not because of me. Here's a quick shot of how much bite that took. So here's my hand, just as reference. So it's just a few strikes, well, you saw while I was filming, and it cuts pretty hard and pretty fast into that. And I've had people ask me about where to find fatwood, and I was just looking at this big fallen over ponderosa here. See if I can get you a full shot of it. Kind of along this cliff edge here. And right here at the base is usually on old dead stuff that's fallen over or been cut down. See right down in here, let me find you here. See that dark yellow? That is all fatwood. So I can go ahead and pry some of that out. All right. And you can see those lines right in there. That's that nice, you can even feel the texture because it just has a gummy kind of texture to it. So keep that and see if we can use that here in a little bit to get the fire started. All right, I got all my wood prepped. The hole's obviously prepped. I got my Ferro striker, piece of Fatwood that I brought from home, and that other little piece you saw me in the previous clip grab. A little bird's nest from dry grass around the area that I just kind of broke up and made into a nest. So we're gonna see if this thing can put off some sparks and see if we can't get it to go. Try to bring you over here in a second to look at the fire itself once I get it established. Yeah, that thing's really cooking off now. I've just got my little pile here. I'll keep feeding. And you can see how this is kind of like a rocket stove. How it's just drawn in from the side there. Sorry, the sunlight is making this not come out well. But you get the idea. So there we go, Dakota Fire Pit, cold steel shovel. This thing came out like a beast. Wood prep, digging the hole, wood shaving, getting the strike off the ferrocium rod. And all in all, it's just kind of a do-it-all shovel. Pretty hardcore for what it is, and incredibly sharp, like I said. I bought this about a year or so ago, bought it myself, not sponsored or anything. I just like to recommend gear that I like and that I've watched other YouTube videos and purchased in the past. So just wanted to show what could be done and just how efficient these are. Like I said, I highly recommend picking one up for the summer. It's a handy emergency tool. Keep on your UTV, ATV, in the back of your truck, or just take camping with you. Keep it in the trailer. Hiking, it's not that heavy. It's just, like I said, an indispensable tool. When this fire dies down, I'll use it to put it out. After my previous years working as a ranger, I'm pretty anal about fire control, so yeah, shovel comes in handy for everything. So I will leave a link below in the description, an Amazon link where you can pick one of these up. If you do go through that link, it helps me out, helps the channel. Like and subscribe, all that fun stuff, and we'll see you guys later.